Hi, my name is Anthony Cordelli. I'm a longtime trader and educator, and I want to be clear here. You can't learn everything about risk management in a 4-minute video. It's a skill you build over time through education, experience, discipline, and repetition. What I can do here is give you an overview and roadmap of the concepts and tools you will need to start managing your risk more effectively. Then it's on you to practice, refine, and make these habits second nature. In our last video, we talked about knowing your risk, understanding the potential impact of a trade before you take it. Managing your risk is different. It's about what you do before and after you click that buy or sell button. So no single trade or even a streak of losses knocks you out of the game. Successful traders don't just manage trades, they manage the account risk that comes along with them. That means consistent position sizing, disciplined stop placement, and clear guardrails for how much you're willing to lose in a day, week, or month. Here are some best practices for managing that risk. Only trade with risk capital you can afford to lose. If losing this money would impact your lifestyle or is not letting you sleep at night, you're risking too much. Set stop loss and profit target orders with every trade and place them the moment you enter, not later. This builds discipline and prevents hesitation if the market moves against you. Determine proper position sizing based on your available capital and risk tolerance. Beginners often start by risking a maximum of 1% to 5% of their account value per trade. That may seem small, but it's what keeps you in the game when the inevitable losing streak hits, and we've all been there. Use a simple, consistent trade sizing formula. For example, if you have $5,000 in your account and you are risking 1% per trade and your typical stop loss is $50, which equals 10 points on the MES Micro S&P 500, note, 1 point equals $5, so a 10-point stop equals $50. That means you can trade one contract. That's 1% of your $5,000 account. Stop loss and profit target placement should make sense and balance risk with opportunity. Your stop should have enough room so your trade can handle normal price fluctuations, while your profit target should be set at a level the market can realistically reach before pulling back. Trades rarely go straight up or straight down from your entry. Look for key support and resistance levels and place stops and targets strategically. Capturing profits should always be a priority. There's nothing worse than watching a profitable trade turn into a loser. Once the market moves in your favor, consider moving your stop to break even or converting it into a trailing stop to lock in gains. Develop a trading plan that takes into account the risk-reward profile of your trading plan setup. If you win 7 out of 10 trades, that's 70%. That's a net of 3 winning trades every 10. If your risk-reward ratio is 5 reward points to every 5 risk points, you will win 35 points and lose 15 points for a net of 20 points every 10 trades. This is called positive expectancy, meaning that over time, if you can maintain a positive expectancy, your trading can be statistically, consistently profitable. This repetitive process of consistent risk management may seem boring, but boring is what works. A solid trading plan, steady execution, and regular review will always beat random discretionary trading. It helps to keep a trading journal with your setup, entry, stop, target, and the results. Review it weekly to spot patterns. Cut out low-quality trades and double down on what's working. The goal is that one bad day, week, or even month shouldn't wipe out weeks of gains or your entire account. That's where account-level guardrails come into play. NinjaTrader allows you to set max daily loss limits, position size caps, and other parameters so the platform itself keeps you inside your plan. It's like having your future self standing over your shoulder saying, "Stick to the plan." We'll cover this feature in more detail in the next video. When you manage your risk well, you give yourself staying power. You can weather losing streaks, protect your capital, and be ready to strike when the opportunities come along. I hope you found this useful. And remember, tune into NinjaTrader Live each trading day for market insights and live trading with professional traders.